Today, we are going to witness one of the most satisfying and incredible home transformations you can imagine. What you're about to see is the complete transformation of an ordinary floor into a stunning epoxy resin masterpiece. At first glance, this floor looks worn out, dull, and unattractive. Years of daily use have left marks, scratches, stains, and imperfections across the surface. For many homeowners, this is a common problem. Over time, floors lose their original beauty and begin to make an entire room feel older and less inviting. But that's about to change. Through the power of epoxy resin flooring, this outdated surface will be transformed into a modern, luxurious, and highly durable floor that completely changes the appearance of the home. Before any epoxy is applied, proper preparation is essential. Many people believe the secret to a beautiful epoxy floor lies in the resin itself, but professional installers know that preparation is where the real success begins. The first step involves carefully inspecting the entire floor. Every crack, hole, stain, and damaged area must be identified. Even the smallest imperfections can affect the final result if they are not corrected. As the grinding machine moves across the floor, years of dirt and wear gradually disappear. The old surface begins to reveal a fresh foundation ready for transformation. Once the cleaning is complete, repairs begin. Cracks are filled, damaged areas are restored, and uneven sections are leveled. Although this stage may not look exciting, it is one of the most important parts of the project. A strong foundation leads to a strong and beautiful finish. After repairs are completed, a primer coat is applied. This special layer helps the epoxy bond securely to the floor. It also helps prevent future problems and improves the overall durability of the flooring system. Now comes the moment everyone has been waiting for. The epoxy resin and hardener are carefully mixed together. As soon as these components combine, a chemical reaction begins. This reaction transforms the liquid mixture into one of the strongest and most durable flooring materials available today. The mixed epoxy is poured onto the floor and spread evenly using professional tools. Slowly but surely, the surface begins to change. The old, dull concrete disappears beneath a glossy new coating. Even at this early stage, the transformation is remarkable. As more epoxy is applied, the floor develops a smooth and seamless appearance. Unlike traditional tile floors that contain grout lines and joints, epoxy creates one continuous surface. This seamless design contributes to its modern appearance and makes cleaning much easier.